wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I got this bag here with products that I emptied out, but I've been storing them so I could do this video. So I'm gonna let you guys know what I emptied, my experience with them, and if I would repurchase them. We got a little something to chat about also in this video. So my first empty, I actually have two. This is the Olay Cleansing and Firming B3 Collagen Body Wash. This is another one of them. Hold on. Especially if you're on TikTok, then you see the Olay body wash ads all the time. There's the one, is this the one that also has the hyaluronic acid in it? But like, I've seen a lot of Olay body care ads in the last year, maybe since the pandemic started. So, I finally went ahead and purchased it. I got the, the Costco version. When you go to Costco and you get everything like 18 of one item. So I have this one, I have this one as well, but I also have two other ones. It came in like a pack of 4. So I finished these two. I don't know why I put both of them aside. I really like this body wash. I like the lather of this. I like how you feel after you use it. Do I feel like I noticed a big difference in my skin after using it? Not so much. But I mean, I don't know, when it comes to cleansers in general, face or body, I'm like, no. Some of you really do see a difference in them. This one, I didn't really, but I liked it when I was using it. Now, the reason I haven't started using the other two is because I have since pretty much purchased everything from Taraji P. Henson's Body by TPH line. So I like that switch over there. I really like the body wash. With that one, I like how it smells. I like, again, how my skin feels afterwards. I like the lather on it. It feels like you're literally like washing the day off. So I'm gonna stick to that body wash for a minute, but I really did like this one. Would I repurchase, if I didn't know about, the product on its own, would I repurchase this? Yes, I would. I like this. And it's Olay, it's gonna be affordable, nice drugstore option for a nice body wash. Okay, next thing I have to talk about. This bad boy right here. I don't know if you guys have seen what's been going on with the honey pot for the last week, maybe 2 weeks-ish. But the way that y'all really turned on this company like that, it took nothing. You guys have not heard, basically in the last 2 weeks, somewhere around there, the honey pot has been catching fire because people who were loyal customers to the company felt betrayed, right? If you don't know who the honey pot is, they're a company that specializes in feminine hygiene products. They've got pads, they've got tampons. They've got sensitive wash. That's a really popular item from them. They just, feminine hygiene care is what they specialize in, right? And people started talking about the company because, well, mind you, I had noticed for a good minute, it was really hard to get this product in stores. It took loyal. It was really hard to get this in stores for a minute, and I heard rumors that they were reformulating the items, so that's why you couldn't find them. And then I saw videos of people going into the store and seeing that they have reformulated, it's not the same ingredients and whatnot on there. And then I also saw people started saying, oh, the whole company's a sellout. She sold the company, it's not even black owned anymore, and now they're saying they're black founded, blah blah blah, right? This is why you actually need to look into the things that people are saying and not just going off of what the majority of people are saying about something. You gotta look into it before you, 1, believe it, and 2, start forming your own opinions, right? Because if you did, because it's coming out now, the things that people were saying, it's not true that it's not black owned anymore. The owner did have to put out her own thing. I believe she shared some of her, she sold some of her shares of the company out, but it's still mainly owned by her. She owns a majority of the company and whatnot, right? So it's still a black owned company. And as far as changing the ingredients and whatnot, again, when you have to actually look into the things that people are saying, one of the things people were saying is that the product is no longer organic. And if you actually look at the original packaging of the product, it was never a fully organic product. It had ingredients in it that were labeled as organic, and it literally has a little asterisk mark next to it saying certified organic. That's just next to the apple vinegar that's in the product, right? So again, You gotta check into what people are saying beforehand. And on the front of this, it says no parabens, no dioxides, and I believe they put in like some preservatives in the like newer version of this product, right? And the thing is, like, you are free to use whatever you want to use. If you don't like an ingredient that they put into a product, you can choose not to use it anymore, right? What's annoying to watch is just how quickly like people were ready to throw this company under the bus, right? I've seen a whole bunch of TikToks of people, like, they put out videos saying things, you know, like it's not black owned anymore, whatever, blah, blah, and then they had to like retract what they were saying because it came up that which they were saying wasn't true. I saw a TikTok of a girl, like, she was laughing because like the company was 50% off at Target. Like, a lot of the products were on sale, and she was laughing and she was like, oh, you know, Target's putting it on sale because they want to get the company out of Target because they don't want to be attached to the drama that's going on right now. Like, y'all laughing, y'all are talking about canceled, the honey pot is canceled, whatever, blah, blah, blah. But like, the same type of people will be like, I went to this establishment, I went to this restaurant to get this service, and they were clearly being racist towards me. They were clearly acting like I couldn't afford what I was getting there. So you know what I did to prove them wrong? I spent $10,000 there so that they know I can afford what's going on here. Y'all bend over backwards for those companies to show them that you belong and to show them that I can afford this type of stuff too. But a small, independent, black-owned business, like, it's that quick. It's just that quick to be like, yeah, haha, you getting canceled, right? I mean, like, yes, if reformulating, could the company, you know, announce that? Would that have made it better for some people? That it could have. But let's not act like it's not normal for brands to reformulate and whatnot and literally not announce it. The same thing happens. You notice you can't get it in store, and then they come back and it's a new thing. You notice it's not like it's a practice that you don't see of brands not announcing. Like, that's the most you can be angry about there, because like I said, you know, the whole like it's not black owned thing isn't true anymore. I did see articles being written about it because all the misinformation that was given. Like, that's what's annoying. Like, the information that people just latched onto, didn't even bother to figure out if it was true or not. So like I said, the owner had to announce it herself. And then other people came out and were defending it because, again, like, it just, the way it was just bizarre, the way it was handled. I assure you the washes are still pH balanced. They're dermatologist tested now. They're hypoallergenic now. They're safe for skin. They also do not have any added parabens, dioxide, or sulfates, and this has always been the case. The new formula still uses organic apple cider vinegar and purified water in the company's standard manufacturing process. Many are particularly upset about the use of exosols, listen, I'm having pop up here on the screen, which Dioxon describes as the alternative to parabens and is widely used within clean skincare products. A product has to be safe for years of use, and I assure you this is the root of the changes. And then the person who wrote this just goes on to give their perspective on everything that's happened here. Like I said, listen, am I going to continue using the honey pot? Yeah, I'm not. I just found those little coochie probiotic pills that they were putting out. I was using the Hum version before. I guess I could have put that in this video because I just finished that. But I don't know if you guys have seen it. The Hum vitamins, like supplements, they have a cranberry, coochie probiotic to use. I finished that, so I was gonna go purchase another one, but then I saw that the honey pot also sold one, then I read the reviews on that one, so I purchased that. Like, I'm not canceling. No, I'm not. As far as this, I really like it as a feminine wash. Also, another thing that's ironic when it comes to that is, like, I really feel like people just be wanting something to say. Like, people really just be wanting something, because people like, don't use honey pot anymore, use Always. Always? We canceling the honey pot because, they're dishonest and they're being real sneaky about it, but we're gonna use Always. As if women haven't literally for like years now, aren't saying what they're saying about Always products, but that's the alternative that we're gonna give. Like, I'm telling you, people just be wanting something to say. But as far as me over here, would I repurchase? Yes, I would. The next two things I have are from the same company, and mind you, like, I feel like this is low-key slept on as a skincare brand, like face and body skincare. It's Skin Fix Acne Plus 2% BHA cleanser. helps clear acne. This is what I was talking about before when I was about to say, I feel like cleansers, you know, you just wash them on, you put them on, then you wash them off, and it's like, what did it really do for your face? But then there are those cleansers, like you use it on your face and you're like, okay, I see what's going on here. I see how it's helping. Like, I really feel like I got my money's worth. That is this product right here. Again, I have sensitive, oily, acne-prone skin. And this one, when I get like a breakout and I use this cleanser, like, I swear it's gone by the morning. I swear it is gone by the morning. Again, I like this. I like how it feels on the face. I have a texture thing, like how products leave my face feeling. Like, it starts to irritate me. I have no issues with that one. Again, it just feels clean after you're done. And like I said, I noticed as far as this was supposed to help your skin with, I feel like it does that. So when I purchased this, I absolutely would. I just bought the new, I think it's a moisturizer. It's like a gel moisturizer from them. So I can't wait to like incorporate that into my skincare. But absolutely this one right here, I was sad to see it go once it was done. And then the other thing I have from them is the Resurface Plus Glycolic Renewing Scrub, Double Duty Pre-Shower Body Peel and Polish for rough, bumpy, and crepey skin. Okay, listen, when I'm telling you, like, their stuff literally does what it says it's going to do. This pre-shower body scrub retexturizes and smooths the appearance of crepey, rough, and bumpy skin. Even keratosis pilaris, also known as chicken skin, natural fruit acids and bamboo polishers, gently exfoliate, remove dead skin. You know, I don't know if you guys ever hear people talking about after you get like a wax or you shave your skin, just that feel of putting clothes on, just laying in bed after you do that. This you could also throw in there, because after you use this on your skin, it just leaves your skin with that feeling of like, yeah, like luxury. That's what luxury, that's what self-care is, that feel after you use this, because it does what it says it's going to do as far as dead skin and just leaving you feel like just newborn. You know, newborn soft skin. That's what this is going to do, especially after you do the rest of your body care after that. So would I repurchase this? Absolutely. Listen, I don't care what y'all say about Alicia Keys, about her putting out Keys Soul Care, because baby, the stuff that I have tried from that company has not been amiss since I tried it. This is the Melting Body Balm. I really like this product. The only thing I don't like, which I've noticed that about the Taraji stuff as well, the only thing I don't like is how like small the products are. I don't know, I feel like body care products should be bulk sizes because it's for your body and there's a lot of body. But other than that, I have no complaints on this. It literally melts into your skin. If you ever look at the content I post on Instagram or TikTok, like full body, and you notice like my skin looks like it's glistening, I'm probably wearing this because I literally put it on for that reason. It's literally going to leave your skin glistening after you put it on, but your skin isn't greasy, nothing like that. It smells amazing. Your skin just, it looks nourished even after, you know, you take a shower and stuff like that. Like, once you start wearing products like that on your body, like over time, your skin just naturally gets its own, like, it's, you know, because it's fed. It has its own type of finish to your skin that I just really like with this one. So would I repurchase this? Absolutely. This, I'm pretty sure this is like the second product Empties video that this has been in. This is the Polish Choice 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. You gotta exfoliate your face, okay? You can't be out here talking crazy to people with an unexfoliated face, which people like to do a lot on Twitter, okay? But this is my go-to exfoliator. Not too harsh, someone who has sensitive skin. I love this product. I already have another one, so would I repurchase? Yes, it's in the bathroom. But yeah, if you're looking for a good exfoliator on the face, Polish Choice, Polish Choice, another brand that I feel like if you're deep into skincare, then you know about Polish Choice. But like the people, like, they don't want the extensive skincare routine, you know, they just go down the aisle at Walmart or whatever and they pick up a cleanser and stuff like that. I feel like they don't really know about Polish Choice like that, and you should, okay? Because the brand, fire. Okay, and the last empty I have is actually crazy that it's already empty because I feel like I just purchased this a couple weeks ago, but that's what I'm saying when it comes to like body care products, that you should be bigger, okay? Because there's a lot of body that you gotta cover, especially if you do it in the morning and nighttime, so it goes quickly. It is the Body by Taraji P. Henson, the Condish. It's a moisturizing in-shower skin conditioner. People ask what it smells like. It says mandarin and ginger. That's literally exactly what it smells like, but it's kind of like in-shower lotion, but you do wash this off. But actually no, it's like a It's like a conditioner, but for your body. You know how you've got hair conditioner? It's a skin conditioner. So while you're in the shower, you put this on, then you wash it off. I am telling you, like, the difference I have seen in my skin since I started using her entire line. I literally bought the entire line. I've got the cleanser, I've got the body oil, I've got the conditioner, I've got the lotion, I have the, it's not the lotion, the body melts, like her version, like the Key Soul Care. I have the entire line, but I'm telling you the difference that I have seen in my skin since I started using it. And like I said, it smells amazing on top of that. She did what she had to do, and this is a line that's available at Walmart. So it's Walmart prices. It's like $8, $10, $11. Absolutely, she did what she had to do when it comes to this line. But this right here is the star of the show. It's like if you get nothing else from her line, using this in your body care routine, I'm telling you, you're gonna see a difference. So would I repurchase? Absolutely, I'm going to have to, because at this point, I'm loyal to Miss Taraji. Don't change nothing, okay? Because I'm gonna have to cancel you. I'm gonna have to fight for you on social media when social media decides that they want to cancel you, okay? So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And yeah, y'all, that was my last product empty. So I feel like that was a little decent amount, but lately I'm noticing the things that I'm emptying are like skincare products and whatnot, makeup. I don't know, I haven't been like using it enough, I guess, to where I'm having empties. If anything, maybe like setting powders. I've noticed I'm getting close to emptying some lip products, those Fenty Gloss Bombs. I noticed the tubes going down, but that is pretty much the last empty that I had for you guys. Let me know down below what you guys have been noticing you've been running through lately. Let me know your thoughts, what's been going on with the honey pot and whatnot. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.